Some people say, oh, you don't need your bandage when you're done your polyurethane. Well, I like to use both. People that don't think it's necessary to use the bandage and your polyurethane, don't. You know, I'm here to show people my way. Some people say, oh, it's not the correct way. Well, okay, do it your way. It's all good. It's all good, people. I'm not a rule follower, and I certainly don't follow rules from people that make these rules and they've never even laid a tile in their life. That makes me laugh. You know what I mean? How can a person make these rules on doing things and all they've done is study on it? Well, okay, that helps. What about spending a few years actually doing it? I am proud to say, people, that over all the years I've done this, I've had one leaking shower, and I know what I did wrong. And I went back and fixed it. Redid it, pulled it out, re-waterproofed it, but I've heard of people, you know, like I wouldn't be able to sleep at night if I had if I'd done a job and it wasn't it wasn't a success. Far out. I wouldn't be able to sleep at night. Some tilers out there give a tail light warranty, and a tail light warranty means you got it as long as you can see the tail lights down the road. I think that's a funny one. See how I've started at the bottom and then I'm going up. It's like a roof on a building, on a house. It's overlapping, so when the water goes down, it's going over that overlap. Does that make sense to you people, DIYs? Does it make sense? I would like to say thanks for watching the videos. Go a little bit higher. There you have it. Now, people that don't reckon you need bandage, don't use it. I like it. DIYs, I do recommend you use it. If you don't want to, don't. But I reckon it's the bee's knees. Let's just cut that. I don't do this everywhere. I'm doing it because it's the shower area. Cool. Cool. Right. I need to do my corner piece yet though. Remind me, please. I'll do it now before I forget. Now, I will put waterproof on that, so when I come over like that, I've got something to stick to. put your flap up. Fold it down. Some people buy their corner piece. That's alright. Fire ahead. I don't, I just sort of make it. I'm not a tight ass either. Nice, I like it. Nice. Nice people, nice. Zap around there. Just while I'm down here, zap around there. Don't worry about the plumber. No, sorry plumber. I'm only pulling your leg. I love you. Right, let's carry on with this. You've seen me brushing in. I'm turning my camera off. Turn on my radio. And just brush in a bit more, and I'll come back when I'm rolling. Look at this. Hey yo, we're in the green room. I'm doing the second coat. I'm a little bit early. I just got to be careful. How I walk. It's just a little bit tacky, but it's all right. Hey, it's Chris O. I don't claim to know everything, people, but I have been doing it for a little while. A year or 37, but no, things are changing all the time. There's, you know, there's quicker ways. Sometimes there's better ways. I don't claim to know everything. But DIYers, take note. If you find something better, by all means, do it that way. Waterproofing is a bit like painting, but you can slap it on a bit more. So I'm doing the second coat. everywhere, and we'll be laughing. Hey yo, it's Chriso. What I've done here, guys and gals, I went away for lunch, and an hour passed. I thought it would dry quite a bit quicker, but it hasn't. It was pretty dry, but not sort of super dry. Anyway, I didn't want to walk on it too much. What I've done is a second coat on that wall there where the shower is, and I've gone right around 4 inches up, right around, and done all the floor. So now on today's Friday, when I come back on Monday, it's fully dry. So what I will do is, because I'll be tiling the floor, I'll give my walls a second coat. The floor's fine. I didn't want to stay on it for too long because it was just a little bit tacky. It could have been left for another hour, but I'm not waiting around that long. So all my floor's fine. I'm laying the tiles on Monday, the floor tiles. So before I start on the floor, I'll do another coat on the walls, because I'm not touching the walls till the next day. So I spend half an hour doing a second coat on the walls, and then I drop down to the floor and lay the floor tiles, and we're home and hose. I didn't want to be standing on my fresh waterproof for too long doing the walls as well. That's the reason why I'm going to do them on Monday morning. I hope that makes sense to everyone. Yeah, no one's spoken up, rightio. Everyone in agreement say aye. Aye, aye, aye. Yep, aye. Nah, true guys. All fooling around. Put that aside. I didn't want to spend too much walking on the floor, so I wanted to get off it as quick as possible, but I wanted to do another coat, so I did, and my walls can wait till Monday. See ya.